Okay, now I will show you how to adjust the ribbon code printer. You can see this is the, for example, this is for rendering. If you want to print this decor to be more top area, you can loosening this two screws and hold the whole ribbon coder to be top and down also. If you want to make the print area to be more down from this area, you can put it down. This area is to adjust the ribbon code printer level in height in vertically, and the bottom this area. This also is for screws. It's to adjust the ribbon code printer to be print the code more left or right. Since this is the bigger pouch, if you print the smaller pouch, the area must be to adjust. You can see this here. Now this area is right for this size of pouch. When you print the smaller pouch, the smaller one, so this area will need to adjust more left side, so that to cover on the pouch edge. So this bottom screw is to adjust the ribbon code printer left and right in horizontally adjusting. And when you need to change the different letters on the printer area, this is the letter assemble set. You can take it out to press it and rotate in 90 degrees and take it out like this. And after assemble the letter on this line, and the same way to get it assembled in this area by pressing and make it press and rotate to the original place like this.